Welcome back to another video. Today we will be repairing the Lemurs from the Mcdonald's 2000 Dinosaurs set. The Lemurs use two triangular screws in the back that can be removed with a triangle security bit you can buy online. This one is homemade. So we'll start by removing those two screws. There's one. And there's the other. Now we can pull them apart. Carefully. Come on. Slowly work around it. And this is why you want to be careful when taking it apart, because one half has the mechanism, the other half has the speaker. Here's the tail. Looks like the speaker comes out, which is actually very handy. So we can set that half to the side. And you can pull this whole entire thing out, just like that, being very careful not to mess up anything or damage anything. And this little beige piece comes right off. And these were the two pegs at the bottom of the beige piece, I believe. So don't lose those. And here is our mechanism. The batteries go inside of this little black case right here. And we will want to remove that. So there's two little clips holding the battery case on. One right here and one right here. You're going to want to push those in carefully, just like that. And the other one. So now should come apart. Oh yes, I just remembered. These two metal tabs are holding the battery case from coming off. So just bend that up a little bit on both sides. Just like that. And your batteries are going to go inside of here. The Lemurs use 3 LR41 batteries to operate, and you can get that online. Of course, when you're taking this apart for the first time, you want to throw out the old batteries, and it looks like we do have a little bit of corrosion on here, so just trying to scrape some of that off to make sure we have a good connection. Just like that. So now we can insert the batteries into this little case. So the negative side is going to be facing that way. Just like that. And then, at the same time, we have to slip both of the little metal tabs back on, which is a little bit easier said than done. I guess we could straighten them out a little bit more to make it easier for us. Just like that. and just slowly, carefully work things back together. You don't want to rush with stuff like this because you could end up ruining it. There we go. Oops. Looks like I need to straighten my tabs out a little bit more because it was quite difficult. Just like that. Now we can put our batteries back in. And let's try that again. It is kind of finicky, so just take your time. Come on. There's one. Oh, just got both sides in. Beautiful. And now push the black piece up so that the two black clips are out. Right there and there. And then you can take the tail and test it out to make sure we have continuity. Just like that. So now we know our toy is working. We can reassemble it. So, let's see. This piece was on top of here. And I believe those two little pins were inside of here. So, there's one. There's the other. Whoops. Accidentally tilted it a little bit and the pin went flying. There we go. Okay. That is back on. And we can reinsert it. I believe it was in this side. Just like this. That pushes right back in there. And then we can, of course, put the speaker back. Let's see, how is this together? These speakers are somewhat fragile, so you want to be careful. Yeah, okay, it did go like that. Speaker goes back in. Line up everything. Make sure the tail is making continuity underneath that board. It's like the speaker's being a little bit fidgety. Oh yes, that's why it's not going back in. You gotta bend the little metal tabs back down on the battery compartment. Just like that. And now we could try and put the speaker back in again. Try to line everything up. Come on. Oh, so the speaker goes in this slot right here instead of the other one. Now, everything should fit. Come on, we're so close. Oh, looks like we got it. So now you could put the 2 screws back in on the back. And here it is. You pull the tail back. Let's get it up to the mic. No clue what they're saying, but it is pretty cool to have this working. And if you had the other dinosaurs from the set, you would clip them on and it would push in on the different buttons. So let's try pushing in on a button with this little blade and then pulling down on the tail. No clue what it's saying again. I'll put it up to the mic. Oh, wrong one. And we could also do it with the other button. So let's try that. Alright, I'll put that to the speaker so you guys can hear it. Fuck, wrong one again. Again, no clue what the hell it's saying. Let's try pressing in both buttons at the same time. And then trying it. So that looks like that's the 4th phrase of it. So 1 is just the tail, 1 is only one button, 1 is the other button, and then the 4th phrase is by pressing both buttons. So let's try that again. Oop. And I'll put that up to the speaker, of course, so you guys can hear what that 4th phrase is. Bear with me, a little bit difficult. Great. Love almost knocking my tripod over. Alright. Let's try that again. Okay. It's one button. It's the other button. Nope. Wasn't pressing down hard enough. So, saying yeah. I don't know what the other word is though. Anyway, that's it for this video. Bit of a longer video, but thank you for watching.